Looking for ways to naturally support your digestive system? Then I have the essential oil blend for you. Digest Essential Oil Blend is a specially formulated blend to help support your body's natural digestive system. In this video, I'll talk about what's in this blend, how to use it, and make sure you know how to use it safely. This essential oil blend is made up of bergamot, orange, aniseed, and German chamomile essential oils. Bergamot, sweet orange, and aniseed essential oils all can support your body's natural digestion system by helping it going smooth and even speeding up the process. German chamomile is a very relaxing oil, so when we're feeling indigestion, we tend to be very tense. This oil will help you relax to help support your body's natural digestion. Some ways you can use Digest Essential Oil Blend is in the diffuser. Smells great, can help you relax. You can also dilute it and make a roll-on or a massage oil and apply it to your abdomen to soothe digestion. Let's make sure you know how to use this blend safely. This blend is best used for kids aged 10 and up. When using it on the skin, always dilute it. You can follow our dilution chart for easy diluting. We don't recommend using this blend around cats and dogs. Whenever you're using an essential oil, be mindful of your pet's behavior, and if they seem kind of funny, it's best not to use this oil around them. We don't recommend using this blend if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about using essential oils with confidence and clarity, subscribe to these videos.